Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're planting onions, and we have thousands of onions to plant. Now, in your common house whole garden, you probably don't do that, but if you do plant a lot of onions because you store a lot for throughout the year, I've come up with a tool to help plant these and space them. It's simple made. It's got a 1x4, and then it uses some 1/2-inch dowels. I just set them on the distance that you want it to plant. Now I've got these sticking out about 1 3/4 inches, 2 inches, something like that, because sometimes you get some fill in the hole, and it's not going to make a difference on an onion anyway if it's planted a little bit deep, because it'll actually push itself out of the ground. So unless you have really hard ground. But anyway, with this I've got 10 dowels here, so I can line this up and put them down. And the way this works is you just put it where you want it, and then you step on it, pull it out, and then just repeat. But before, I was kind of just making my own little holes with a stick. I was planting some in there by hand, and it takes so much longer to do it that way. But when you do this, it makes it easy. Now I've just got an old broom handle here, and I bored a hole about the size of it, and I just press fitted it, but these others I glued in here. So if you want to make you something, this will give you an idea of a tool that will make your onion planting easier, especially if you're planting a whole lot of onions. But anyway, I hope this tip's helpful. If you want to see more of my tips and gardening information, just subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it. It helps my channel. Happy gardening.